See, what they're saying there is everything originated from a common ancestor. And this is truth. This is truth. The original form, everything originated from prokaryotic cells. All of our cells are not prokaryotes anymore, though. That's the result, you understand, of cloning, humanoid things, and things that happen. But over and understand, we all have the energy of the prokaryotic cell. Prokaryote just means before a nucleus, or the first. You understand? Pro means first. You understand? Once we evolve, our cells took what was prokaryotic and they made it eukaryotic, meaning that the cells in our body now have a bunch of different prokaryotes in them. And they all have specialized functions in your cell in order to help you to harness the energy, okay? So in that article, they were talking about the energy of ATP. You understand? That's through glycolysis. You understand? That's like through burning sugars and stuff like that. But what I'm trying to tell you is melanated beings can power their ATP without sugars and things like that, because their melanin can harness the energy of light. You understand? And the melanin takes, the backbone of melanin turns that photon energy and it puts it directly into something called your electron transport chain. See, ATP is an energy thing. It gives energy to the cell. So when you eat in foods, stuff like that, a whole bunch of sugars, your metabolism switches that way, glycolysis and all of that. That's the, I would say, the metabolism of a clone. But melanated people, we don't have to eat all of those different type of foods, starches and stuff like that, because melanin is its own energy source and it feeds off of light photon energy. That's what makes the melanin turn brown. As we're turning a hue, you're actually splitting the light particles, you understand, and you're using that light for energy. That's why usually when melanated people go outside, you can tell the difference between the limbic system dysfunction, because when you go out there and you turn pink, if you turn like, you get flushed, that's because your body can't rotate the light, you understand? And because you can't rotate those light particles or whatever, it causes your body to overheat, your skin to flush. But if you had, you understand, the carbon backbone of the melanin, understand, when that light hits you, that UV radiation, the melanin rotates it, the light, it presents a hue, you understand? A hue. Sometimes we get darker and then we will perspire. That's the water from splitting of the atoms. You understand? Like, I'm just helping you to see with a little bit of salt as well to keep you balanced. You understand?